चार्ज तो करते ही होंगे चार्ज।
Visual effects.
इसी खोले यार, खिड़की इसी ला रहा है, इसी हैं? बना रहा हूँ इसमें, सही है। आओ सामने आओ यार, शक है कहीं नफरत की दीवार है, कहीं जीत में भी शामिल पल पल हार है। या रब्बा दे दे कोई जान भी अगर, दिल भर पे हो नहीं भर पे हो नहीं असर। ओ या रब्बा दे दे कोई जान भी अगर, दिल भर पे हो न दे भर पे हो कोई असर। या रब्बा प्यार है या खुदा है मेरे दिल बता, टूटता क्यों नहीं दर्द का सिलसिला। वाह अमित भाई, शानदार, बेहतरीन, जबरदस्त। यार शाम का मौसम अलग ही दिखाई दे रहा भाई। हाँ, ये ढलता हुआ। हम लोग कहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं? हम लोग जा रहे हैं हुंडर। हुंडर इज नियर बाई टू टुक टुक। हाँ, टुक टुक विच इज द लास्ट विलेज ऑफ इंडिया। ओके। Totuk, which is the last village of India. So we
Okay.
are just near to Totuk, and we are traveling. We are traveling and through Siachen.
Siachen.
And
Actually,
Karula Pass.
we started our journey from Srinagar. Then we stayed.
Actually, we started our journey from Bareilly. Then you picked me up from Saharanpur.
Yeah.
Then we crossed Punjab.
Right.
We took stay in Udhampur after Pathankot. Then we went to Srinagar, went to the Lal Chowk, Dal Lake.
Right.
Then we entered into Sonmarg. We did our camping there. We stayed in our camp. We fitted our camp in Sonmarg near a river. And after Sonmarg, we are traveling, and we reached Leh. Then we stayed in Leh in a hotel, and from Leh, since morning we were traveling. We have crossed Siachen, where we experienced snowfall. Snowfall was there.
Yeah, snowfall was there. Wonderful experience was there because can you imagine there was a lack of oxygen level also.
In Siachen, it was getting very difficult for us to even breathe. Normally, we were not doing anything. We were not doing any exercise or any hard work, but still we were not able to breathe properly even when we were normally sitting in the car. So it was actually it is the highest peak of the world. And after Siachen, we passed from Khardungla.
Yes.
That road was very difficult.
World highest lake वो है वो Khardungla.
Yes, the post. The army, the defense post in Khardungla is the highest post.
And now we are in Khandar.
And from Khardungla Pass, we experienced lot of things. We got different kind of we saw different colors of mountain, and we saw a desert also. In the morning we were at a place where we saw snowfall, and in the afternoon we were at a place where the temperature was normal, and in the evening we were at a place which was a desert. The highest desert in the world is there in Hundar. So, but you drive very good.
Yeah, thank you.
You are a very good driver. I was looking at the way you were driving, the cuts, the moves, where to accelerate, where to brake. Your driving is awesome. I think we took around initially where we ate parathas and chai.
Yes.
From there, when Shashank was driving, we took around half an hour. But when we came back again for some work at that same place, I think 12-13 minutes you took to and you took very less time, but the driving was safe. I can't say that you took less time.
Thank you, Mr. Amit. Your observations are very good, and I must tell you, driving is my passion. I always ready to drive anywhere in the
But I'll
India.
suggest, if we want to cover maximum locations in less time, then from tomorrow onwards, you should take charge of the driving.
Yeah, that you suggest to Mr. Shashank.
That will suggest to him. The way you are driving is very safe, and you are taking full care of time.
But one more part you forget to cover it. That is, I must say thanks to our Indian Army, our armed force. Just because of them, we are in safe, even in Kashmir. Recently on 30th of August, they all are celebrated Janmashtami in Srinagar, Lal Chowk.
Yes.
And the experience was wonderful.
That is just because of the this removal of 370 from Kashmir.
Yeah.
That is why we were able to, even we can say, today, the day when we were in Srinagar, I saw many places where on the wall it was written, "Go India,
Go India, go back.
Go India, go back." It was very frustrating to see that. You are sitting in India, you are eating in India, you are safe because of our Indian Army, and you are saying, "Go India, go back." But we should not discuss about those people, because those people are not at all Indians.
Right.
They are eating our Indian food, but not at all Indians.
But the overall journey
Is awesome. But driving right from UP, Bareilly, and traveling all the way from UP, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal,
Chandigarh,
JNK,
JNK.
Ladakh now. So almost 5 states have been crossed, and right from the very first day till we crossed Leh, reached Leh, and from Leh to Hundar, the single person who was driving was Shashank.
Shashank.
So hats off to him.
Yes. All the credit goes to Mr. Shashank Srivastav. Just because of his, the journey is possible from Bareilly to Ladakh, Leh. And tomorrow we are planning to going at Pangong.
Actually, everybody wants to travel to Leh. If you'll ask any person, do you want to go to Leh? Everybody will say yes. I have a plan. I had a dream. And similarly, we were having this dream from last 20 years. But just because of the initiative taken by Shashank, because every time for a difficult journey, we require a person who could lead from the front. So Shashank was there, who planned the things and did a lot of planning. Did a lot of planning.
Homework is there.
Did a lot of planning. He spent nights for the study for this journey, what to carry, what not to carry, what to take care, which medicines to carry, the place from where we can purchase a tent, the place from where we can purchase the sleeping bags, and how we will be camping, and during the camping what will we be cooking, what will be the required, the butane cylinders, that stove. So everything was planned, and but for a good journey, every leader also needs to have good 3-4 companions, and we were always there. So overall it was a very good journey. We all 4
Actual enjoyment of this journey.
We all 4 stood together.
Actual enjoyment of this journey is by only car. What I'll
Actually.
suggest, yes.
There
This
are
is
a
the
lot
way.
of
Yeah. This is the right way.
no, this one is the way.
Yeah. And today night we will spend
In Hundar,
in Hundar, and
there is a camp.
It's a tent house. Actually, it's a tent house.
But Sanjeev, when I entered that camp, I never felt that I'm standing in a camp. It was just like a
Bedroom,
It was just like a hotel's room.
hotel room.
Actually, this is a place where a lot of tourists come. So now these people all have become professionals.
So guys, this is all about our journey from Bareilly to Leh.
But this is not the end.
This is not the end. Tomorrow we will start our journey
Again,
from Hundar to Pangong. Right? See you again. Bye.
bye bye. Bye.